Hey guys, it's Mac and I'm back with another amazing video. Alright, so a subscriber of mine sent me 2 bows. In today's video, I'm going to be opening up the second bow. Sorry I had to cut the video short. I wanted to do both bows in the same exact video, but it rained really badly and I had to pack up and go inside and I had to wait for the weather to clear. Alright, in today's video, we're going over the second bow. The first bow was the $129 amazing, awesome bow that I've already posted. So make sure that you go and check out that video. That bow is absolutely awesome. That is the black tartar, the new one from AF Archery. I don't know what bow this is. A subscriber sent me both bows and he wanted to know my honest opinion about these 2 bows. And here we go. Let's move on to the second bow. All right, here we go. Like I said in multiple videos now, you go really super easy whenever you're opening up a bow. Really super easy because you don't want to have the knife puncture inside and hit like a string or like chip it real bad or anything like that. And you're also never supposed to cut towards yourself, but I mean, I've been using a knife for a while now. Boom. Just like that. All right, now here we go. All right, now what do we have here? Oh my gosh. From the Sia, I want to say it is a Turkish bow. All right. Yes, I love Turkish bows. Awesome. Awesome. And this is another $129 bow as well. Wow. And it is from AF Archery. All right. That is a sharp looking Turkish bow. That is a real sharp looking Turkish bow. Oh man, I really like the looks of this. For $129, wow. This is really super nice for $129. I'm quite impressed that this is only $129. Now let's get the front. This is a sharp looking bow and it's got a narrow arrow pass. I really like that. All right. It also comes with a bow sleeve, what I call a bow case. I know it's not a case, but I just call it a case sometimes. And it comes with a string that's already waxed. I love it. That's awesome. All right, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna string this up. I'm gonna take the camera and I'm gonna put it in position and I'm gonna get to firing some shots. I mean, take a look at that handle. That handle is absolutely gorgeous. And take a look at the arrow pass. It's got a cloth arrow pass and I really like the handle. I really like the handle. And yes, I'm going to be rewrapping it, but like I said, I even did this on my more expensive bows. It doesn't matter the price of the bow. I will always rewrap the handle, okay? But the original handle that comes with it is absolutely beautiful and it's really nice. It's really nice to grab. I really like the handle to this. And as you can see right here, this is the way it looks when it's strung up. Check out this side. Like I said in my last video, companies that make cheap laminated bows, AF is giving them a run for their money. A real run for the money. All right, now when it comes to looks and design, I give it a 10 out of 10. But now let's see the way that it shoots. Now let's see how she shoots. All right, here we go. Perfect. First shot with it, absolutely perfect. Absolutely perfect. It was smooth. It's real easy to draw back. Actually, I want to see how far back I can actually draw this bow. Okay, I can actually overdraw this on 31-inch arrows. Yeah, I can actually overdraw this bow easily too. It doesn't feel like it's 40 pounds pulling back. It's like in my other video, the draw experience I would have to say is absolutely awesome. These are 31-inch arrows and I feel like I can just keep on drawing back. It doesn't hold or anything like that. It's got a nice, smooth, easy draw to it. I mean, I'm really impressed with this bow already within just the first 3 shots. All right, here, let me show you from this angle right here. I mean, you could just keep drawing this bow. I mean, this is 31 inches right here. This is 31 inches. 31. And I feel like I can just keep drawing it and drawing it and drawing it. I love it. It's nice and smooth draw. There's no like real stacking towards the end or anything like that. right, here we go. All right, nice little group. What's really cool is that this bow allows for a much longer draw. A lot of Turkish bows don't actually allow for a longer draw, which I find to be very interesting, that this $129 bow allows you to draw much further back. I mean, this bow is absolutely perfect. I don't see anything wrong with it at all whatsoever. All right, there we go. And what I really like is that it's solid black with a little bit of wood right there. I think that looks really cool. It also gives it like a tactical type look, so that's really awesome. Walking and shooting. I love walking and shooting. It's hard to do, but I mean, like, once you start doing it, it's so much fun. I have a blast doing it. Boom, 3 good hits. There we go. Further back. Hit. 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 All right. Let me change hands. Change thumbs. There we go. Hit. Man, I love this little bow already. I love this little bow. I mean, you just cannot beat the price. You cannot beat the price of a well-laminated bow. Now, I will be making more videos on this bow, and I will be having this bow right here in a lot of videos because, I mean, I'm able to be that accurate right off the rip with it. Yeah, I really like this bow. I can say for certain right now, I really like this bow within just a few shots. All right, let me do a little bit of kneeling and shooting. I love kneeling and shooting. I absolutely love kneeling and shooting. It actually helps keep your back a lot straighter, I believe. And it adds for better consistency. I think that's one of the reasons why Lars Anderson was kneeling in his video where he shot the 7 keyholes. I think I got a pretty good group and I really want to show it off. Show the bow off too. All right, here we go. I mean, that's really good shooting right there. Right out of the package, right out of the box. Really love it. I'm clicking well with this bow. You know, like some bows you click with and some bows you kind of don't, and it takes a while. This bow right here, I'm clicking with right off the bat. I'm loving this little Turkish bow, and I just cannot get over the price, $129. All right. Love it. Three good hits. There we go. That bag is getting destroyed. Take another look at it. Look at it from this angle. Look at it from this angle. $129. I am just mind blown. All right, I'm coming back a little bit further and I want to do some walking and shooting. Hit. Guys, walking and shooting really helps out for tactability. I just made up a new word. Hit. Wasn't really walking, but I was in motion. Counts. It counts. Let me know in the comment section or not if that last shot counted. All right, here we go. Woo! Love it. And I love drawing to the earlobe. I really love drawing to the earlobe. It is a very historical way to shoot one of these bows. And this bow right here definitely allows it. I believe the max draw would be about 32 and a half inches maybe, or something like that. All right, let's check out these walking and shooting. Beautiful little group for walking and shooting. I mean, I love it. I'm loving it. I'm happy with that. I'm really super happy with that. What's really cool about Turkish bows is that they allow for a short draw too. I love it. I love drawing to like the corner of my mouth area. Absolutely love it. And I mean, it's so easy to hot true with this bow. So easy to hot true with this bow. I love the shape of the handle, and I love how it feels. If you can see, it's a little bit fatter on the sides. I really, really like that. Oop, one of my arrows didn't stick in straight. That's not good. Just like I said, I really, really like the design of this handle because it allows you to really grab onto it. I really like the design of this handle. And this right here fits perfectly into your hand. I really, really like the design of this. And it's got a narrow arrow pass, which I really like too. All right. Got it. While the wind's blowing it, I love that stuff. Got it again. While the wind was blowing it. Yes, that's what I'm talking about. I'm having fun with this bow. I am definitely having fun with this bow. And I cannot believe the price of this bow. $129, you cannot beat the price of this bow. Now me personally, I cannot shoot a new Turkish bow without shooting some Slavic release. Oh yeah, that's what I'm talking about. I love it. Ooh, went through the top part of the bag up there. Here we go. Got it. I really like the string on this as well. AF makes pretty good strings. I mean, their strings last a long time. You know, like when you're sitting there and you're putting 60, 70 shots into a bow every single morning, you need a good string. And I'm really impressed that AF gives such a good string. Perfect. Hold the bow in the 12 o'clock position. Shoot it. Perfect. Hold the bow in the 2 o'clock position. Perfect. In the description box below, I actually have a 10% discount code for this bow, just like I do with my Tatar bow. I got a hold of AF about their Tatar bow, and I was like, you guys make an excellent bow for the price. And they're like, you know what? We're gonna give all your subscribers a 10% discount. Guys, I'm not making any money off this, like none. This is just for your guys' benefit. And it was really cool of AF to reach out and be like, hey, your subscribers want this bow, they can also get a 10% discount. That's really awesome. That is really, really cool. It was really cool for them to give my subscribers a 10% discount. I mean, that's really, really cool. So if you guys want a 10% discount on this bow, this is a bow I highly recommend you getting. The link will be in the description box below. If you guys want me to review any bows, if you guys want to send any bows to me, just hit me up in the comment section below. All right, here we go. All right, out of the way. See, nice little group right there. Not bad. One thing that I left out about the promo code, you know, the 10% discount, is that it was only intended for use of the subscribers of this channel. So if you are not a subscriber, please subscribe to this channel, guys. There's a lot more videos coming out, and even though that I have a Patreon, I'm still going to be releasing a lot of tutorials. If you're struggling with thumb draw and Slavic release, I have 3 hours worth of content on my Patreon, so make sure that you join my Patreon. Thank you so much for watching today's video, and you guys have a blessed day in Christ. Bye now.